I'm doing a review on the Calogy Heat Press, which I'm going to put my DTF transfer. I have my parchment paper somewhere around here. Put it right here. Also, do have Calogy Heat Press come with a nice little carrying bag. And the things that I like about it, I have my parchment paper right here. Right, and I also order the circuit mat. It's a nice little mat that I could have at the bottom, right, to put down my prints properly. Right, so what I'm going to do is the first thing I'm going to do is to plug in this this heat press. And let's go through some unboxing stuff for y'all. So I'm going to plug it in right here. Right, see it came on. Alright, so I'm going to press it on here. Press and hold on the button a little bit. Alright, and I'm going to set my temperature to 320. Alright, in fact, I'll just drop it to 340. So I'm going to go to my timer here. Alright, actually my temperature button, and this is my up and down here that I could go 340, 345. I think I'm gonna leave it at 350 because I want to do DTF transfer. If on my timer, I could increase my timer. Alright, decrease it. I'm going to set it at 30. Alright, it normally blinks off for itself. And what I'm going to do is to wait until it goes up to 350, and then we're going to press it down. It actually comes with a base. Right, there's one thing that I like about it, and it's easy to move around instead of having the other one that actually clamps down. I like the clamshell one, so I'm going to just leave this to go up for a little bit. As you can see, the buttons here, this is the timer button. This is the temperature button, the on button. This is the up and down for the temperature of the timer. Right? And I guess this button here is to actually start the timer, start and stop the timer, and also for you to change whether or not it's degrees or Fahrenheit. So we're going to just leave it as Fahrenheit. Right, for now, I'm going to just wait until this thing goes up to 350 to heat up a little bit. But in the meanwhile, I'll talk to you all about my DTF transfer. So I'm going to do this on this t-shirt here. All right, also I got the cricket mat. I bought it on Amazon. As you could see, the cricket mat that you could get on Amazon. Right, I love this mat. It's you know, it's like it's heat resistant. I don't want to put it directly onto my my table here. Right, so I'm going to fold it out, spread it out a little bit. You know, normally it's always good to preheat the t-shirt first, which I could do if I want. You know, could probably just take the heat press, put some parchment paper on top of the t-shirt first and foremost. Right, and I'll just heat up. Could just take it whatever temperature is at. Right, and just press it down to like just iron out the shirt a little bit. Keep it there for like about a couple of seconds. And it goes up. Right, I'm gonna take it and put it back here and just allow it to basically goes up in temperature. Alright, so basically just iron it out a little bit. As you can see, there's a little bit more iron out. I'm going to just center my t-shirt. Okay, so I'm going to center my t-shirt here. I'm going to put my my DTF. Put my DTF right here. All right, I'm going to center it a little bit. As you could hear the beep, it means that it actually reached the temperature, the desired temperature that I want. All right, so I'm going to just center it a little bit. And what I'm going to do now is to put my parchment paper over it, just like that. All right, my design is all centered. I'm now going to take the heat press, right, it's at 350, and I'm going to rest it like this. And I'm just going to give it some, you know, like to press it down a little bit, and then I'm going to press that button right there. That's the C button I just press for the timer to go down, and I'm going to time it for about roughly 30 seconds. All right. Have it there. Roughly about 30 seconds. Gonna give it a little press down, a little force. Right. By the timer came off, I'm going to like stop the timer now. Give it a little press down again. And raise it up. You see my parchment paper came up one time with me. Alright. Just kind of like stick on it a little bit. Alright, what is this here on the paper? I don't know where that came from. I'm gonna check my base to make sure everything is okay. My base looks good. Alright. And all I'm going to do is just allow this to cool down a little bit. Ooh, it's very hot. One thing I like about this one, you could actually peel the DTF transfer either hot or cold. So I'm going to take my time and peel it off. See, I'm peeling it off right now. Right, I'm peeling it off nice and so I'm going to just use my feet. I'm holding the phone with my hand. Alright, so I peel it off. There is it. It looks neat. What I'm going to do is just basically put back the parchment paper on it. Again. Right. Just like that. And I'm just going to take the heat press one more time. Just kind of like iron it on a little bit, you know. Make sure it sticks. I need to really put on the timer. Just about a couple of seconds. Right. Yeah. That's it. Right. Put it out. Take it out all entirely. Nice. Looks good. Yeah, and that's it. And this is my review on the Calogy heat press. I hope I pronounced it correctly. I love it. It's very durable. All I gotta do now is just hold on the button and switch it off.